back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys, and it is another Influenster VoxBox. I believe this is the third box that I get this month, and I'm super happy that they sent me another box. And anyways, here is the box right here. It is a liquid, because this is a Jimmy Choo I Want You perfume. Look at that, you guys. I was actually going to buy this for my mom for her birthday, but I decided to get her a different one. So let's open it up. And if you guys haven't signed up to Influenster, it is completely free. So if you guys want to sign up, I will have the link in the description box. So anyways, this is what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. So it comes with a card, and it says, Jimmy Choo, congratulations. You've been selected to try the newest fragrance by Jimmy Choo, I Want You. I Want You perfume is a sparkling sensual fragrance infused with velvet peach and vanilla that gives way to a floral inflection of jasmine and red spider lily. I Want You, the perfect accessory for a modern and glamorous woman. And it also just tells me how to review this box on the bottom. And this is the card and the front. It's exactly like the box, so I'll keep that in the box. And oh my gosh, here is the perfume. I was actually expecting like a little sample size because that's what they normally do with perfumes, but I've noticed that they've been sending out like the full size perfumes now. And anyways, this is the box right here. It is wrapped in plastic, so let me open this up. The box is so beautiful, you guys. It's very pretty and sparkly, and it's huge. It's like the size of my face. Anyways, let me open this up so we can look at the bottle and smell it. Oh, so it just tells you how to lock it and unlock it. It looks so fancy. So here is the perfume. As you can see, it's so pretty, very fancy looking. And wow, this bottle is so pretty. The J and the C look very pretty. I love the gold detail. And the cap, well, it's not the cap, this is where you press it. It's so beautiful. It says right there, Jimmy Choo, or Jimmy Choo. So pretty. And so you remove this. Okay, like so. And this is the lock. I'm going to put it on my arm, I don't want to waste it. A lock comes out. Smells so good. I did smell this at the mall like 2 weeks ago before going to Colorado, because I was actually looking to see what perfume to get my mom. But anyways, I'm super happy that I have this perfume. It smells really, really good. It does smell flowery, and I really, really like it. It's like a soft scent. It is infused with velvet peach and vanilla that gives way to a floral inflection of jasmine and red spider lily. It's perfect for me because a lot of perfumes give me migraines, but this one is soft enough. If I do end up getting a migraine with this, I'll probably give it to my mom. But anyways, super, super happy that they sent me this beautiful perfume. So thank you so much to Influencer. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried out this perfume and what do you guys think of it. Do you guys like it? Do you guys dislike it? And also let me know if you guys are signed up to Influencer and what products have you guys received, because I would like to know. I actually got another box in the mail yesterday, but I'm not sure if I will film it today because I have to do homework after this. So yeah, so this perfume retails for $118 at Macy's. Anyways, that is everything that I got from Influencer today, and I hope you guys sign up because it is completely free. If you guys want to sign up, I will have the link in the description box, so make sure to go check them out. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.